All right, then, well, it's time to review activities as it happened that is NGX, and joining me to review this is Director Chief Executive Officer of ECL Assets Management Limited, Mr. Charles Fakruha. Mr. Fakruha, good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us. It's good to see you today.
Thank you for having me, Tolu.
Yes,
it's a pleasure.
Yes, let's do a review first. Trading now ends at 4 p.m. A lot of developments at the exchange, and the market seems to be doing pretty good. Take us through some happenings at that space.
Yes, thank you very much, Tolu. You will recall today is the first trading day for the new month, and for what happened in April, and of course, the last week, we saw a lot of headwinds, new levels that the exchange got to. For April, we saw an increase market return of about 20.36% month on month. And of course, the market capitalization in terms of the ASI climbed towards, it was doing over 242 basis points. And of course, this is not just by way of chance. It's as a result of investors' confidence in the market, and at the same time, some of the earnings that got to the market that investors were really reacting towards. So it's a really bullish market, and we just hope that the trend will continue in this month of May.
So let's look at some maybe challenges with the larger economy and how it also affects trading. Are you concerned about any development that could affect trading at the market? We've seen stability, of course, in our foreign exchange market, but are there other concerns? And of course, we are also expecting some major listings. What is going on? Any updates with regards to that?
Yes, for the major listings that will be coming, the market is prepared, and a lot of things have been put in place. One, we are talking about T+2. By the grace of God, end of this month, we're talking about T+1. That is a major market shift in terms of settlement, which goes to show that the exchange, the Securities and Exchange Commission are on top of the game to ensure that the Nigerian market is internationalized. So you can see the concerns we have in the market. Of course, macroeconomics headwind might affect the market. But like I said, because of the FX stability, we're going to be seeing a stable market. And of course, the trend will continue.
That seems to be like a good one, considering what I hear from you. What about the fixed deposit space? Of course, treasury bills and of course, all other markets. Tell us through what is playing out in that space. How attractive?
Yes, you can see the deepening of the market. We've always maintained this point that the NGX is a multi-asset exchange. And you can see the CP space, the fixed income space, these are really deepening the market. And we are seeing more and more companies through their investment bankers, their financial advisors, using that option of raising funds in coming to the market. However, our advice will always be for investors that are going to be investing in some of this asset class, need to do their own little homework.
Indeed, you must do your homework. I must thank you so much, Mr. Charles Fakruha. Thank you so much for joining us on the show this Monday afternoon. We really do appreciate it. But if you would have a projection for the market for this first week, would you believe that we'll still stay tall and green?
Yes, well, I see a little bit of profit taking, but as I speak now, the market is still on. Brokers are still buying and selling, but what we are saying, we might be able to get some profit taking and of course, consolidation from investors.
All right, thank you so much, and do enjoy the rest of your day and have a profitable one.